Cynthia, I finally found you. Looks like you've had a good week.
Yeah, right. I have to do what I can to drive those zombies out.
Perhaps I can help you. You have a plan? What's the situation here?
As you can see, the outer areas of the shelter have been overrun by zombies. We have to get rid of them and fix the barricade to keep them out.
I see you have a plan. Do you have enough hands?
We have police cars at the police station. Fill them up with fuel and we can send them out to search for help. But first, we'll have to find their owner. He has the keys. Let's hope he's still alive.
We can use the police cars here. I hope there's enough petrol. These obstacles are blocking us from entering. But they could also be blocking some things from coming out.
That looked painful. Is your foot all right?
Never been better. There's some useful stuff in there. Search carefully so we don't miss a thing. Huh. We can use this to fuel the car.
It's time. I have
No one's getting through this!
You can't fight me!
It's time.
We got a big one! Fire at him and take it down!
I'm not scared of you.